Hi and welcome back. Welcome to this video about selling fees on eBay. My objective for this video is to explain to you exactly what the fees are so you can set your price and understand if you can make a profit. When you sell on eBay, you have to factor in roughly 16% for selling fees. eBay will charge you a commission, there is an international selling fee, and eBay will also charge you a fee whenever you withdraw money to your local bank account. The eBay commission is 12.55%. The international selling fee is 1.55%. And the fee to withdraw money to your local bank account is 2%. If we sum everything up, we're looking at selling fees in total of 16.1%. Now that you know the fees, let me do a demonstration on how you can set your price on eBay. So far, I've created my international online store here. I'm ready to sell. I've also done my research and I have a pretty good idea of what the prices are for this type of product. But I have no idea if I'm going to end up with a profit after all the fees. So I'd like to use this product of my competitor as an example to try and find out what kind of profit that competitor is making. Let's break this down. So my competitor is charging $75 plus $15 for economy shipping. Now if I add the shipping charge of $15 into the calculation, we get a total revenue of $90. This is what my competitor is making when he or she sells the knife to the international customer. Next, let's look at the costs. How much did my competitor pay for this product? I know that this kind of high-quality Uzbek knife can be bought on the local market for between $20 and $30. The shipping cost is right about $15. This is how much my competitor is also charging directly to the consumer. So the total cost without any fees from eBay side is $45. So how much profit will I be able to make with this product? So we established that I can make $90 because this is the market value of this product. It follows that my gross profit should be $45. $90 minus my cost of $45. Now, as we know, eBay charges selling fees and there is a fee to withdraw your money to your local bank account. Altogether, these fees add up to 16.1%. In this example, my fees total $14.49. And if I subtract those fees from my total revenue, I get my net revenue, which in this case is $75.51. So unfortunately, I had to share a little bit of my revenue with eBay, but I still have enough revenue to make a profit. And in this case, my profit will be $30.51. Let's sum this up. How should I set my price on eBay? First, evaluate your competition price. In our case, it was $90. Secondly, calculate your selling costs. You have to know the product cost. You have to know the shipping cost. And you have to know the selling fees. This will allow you to understand whether there's a profit. In our case, is there a profit? Yes. Profit was $31 in this example. This is just one example, and as you can imagine, I get a lot of questions about pricing. Let's dive into the frequently asked questions. Question number one is, should I use free shipping? In general, yes, I would recommend using free shipping on eBay. This will help you get more visibility in the eBay search results. However, all depends on your competition. So in this example for Uzbek knives, we can see here in the eBay research tool that only 7% of the sellers selling Uzbek knives use free shipping. This means two things. In this category, it's not that important to offer free shipping. On the other hand, if I do offer free shipping, I have a very good opportunity to be better than my competition. Question number 2. Will my profit be lower if I offer free shipping? The answer is no, not necessarily. Let me give you an example. Typically, sellers will work the shipping cost into the final price. Let's take this example. We have an Uzbek knife being sold for $65 with free shipping. Now, I did a little bit of research and I was able to find the exact same knife from another seller. This time it's being sold for $52. You'll note that this seller is charging $12 for shipping. If we add everything up, we're looking at $64.20, so roughly the same price as the other seller. In reality, there is no such thing as free shipping. Sellers will always build the shipping cost into the final price so that free shipping will not affect their profit margin. Question number 3. Should I use expedited shipping? In general, yes. I always recommend using an expedited shipping option. On eBay, you can easily add a second shipping option next to your economy shipping. If I go back to my competitor listing, I can see that my competitor is only using one shipping option, which is economy shipping. This is really a missed opportunity because there are a lot of buyers out there that are looking to get their items quicker and they are willing to pay for it. So here is what I would recommend to this seller. Let's start with the local product price, which we determined was around $30. The shipping cost for economy shipping is $15. So let's put all of this into the final price. Now let's keep our profit that we determined was around $30, and with all the fees for eBay here, we will be able to sell this product for just under $90 with free economy shipping. Now the big question is, how much should I charge for fast shipping? This of course depends on the rates that you manage to negotiate with a courier. The good news is that if you are watching this video and you're a participant in the eBay Central Asia Hub program, then we already negotiated rates for you. We have done an agreement with DHL and we have very attractive rates for you. For example, if I want to ship this knife from Uzbekistan to the United States, my fee will be €25.78. If we're converting this into US dollars, we're looking at roughly $29. I would add a little bit of margin because usually couriers charge taxes and other fees. So let's put it at $32. So should I charge $32 to the buyer for shipping? No. What I'm going to charge to the customer for shipping is the $32 minus the $15 shipping cost that's already included into the price. So it's going to be $17. Question number 4. Do the eBay fees depend on what I sell? The answer is yes. There are different fees for different categories, but they are all in the range of 12 to 15%, and in general, the selling fee is 12.55%. Question number 5. What about fees for my store subscription? Store subscriptions on eBay start at $5 a month. But as I explained in the previous video, a store is not mandatory in order to sell on eBay. This is why I have not included this in the selling fees. Question number 6. How do eBay fees compare to other online marketplaces? If you compare eBay to the other dominant online marketplaces in the Western markets, it sits right in the middle. Amazon is a little more expensive at roughly 14%. Etsy, the marketplace for handmade goods, is a little bit cheaper at 5%. Question number 7. Can you share the Excel sheet? Yes, we will share this during the course if you're a participant of the eBay Central Asia Hub program. Now that you know all about selling fees on eBay, let's learn how to upload your first product.